Hi everyone, what's up, Clevy Nation? Welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Clevy and it is so nice to meet you. You're back with checking out another performance from the ongoing X Factor. Whew, this one has been highly requested. And this is Kris Tomahu. If this is your first time here, you're definitely now aware that we have a whole playlist dedicated to the ongoing X Factors. So make sure that you click right here to watch it or you check my description box because the link to that playlist will be right there. I'm so excited to check this out, you guys. When you guys recommend things like this a lot, I'm like, there must be something you guys want me to hear. And knowing that it is X Factor, it is vocal. So I'm like, I'm ready. And if you're ready to this with me, smash the like button, join the family, join the squad by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload a new video, guys. Don't forget to watch till the end of the video to find out if you are today's shout out. All right, guys. In three, two, one. Yo, let's do this. Ooh.
Punah semua harapan bersama
Ooh, wow.
sekira kau larut dalam hati.
He's a contestant. Listen, he's a contestant. Yo, do you understand that question? Like, he's not a guest performer, he's a contestant. Yo,
Aku menanti
his stage presence is. Woof.
andai yang kau nyata dalam mimpi. Ku rasa resah bila kau tiada.
You guys, yo, I don't get, the competition vibes from him. Oh. I don't. That's not what I'm getting right now. I don't get that he is competing at all. One bit. Instead, what I'm getting is the performer, is an artist coming to perform, and we are just enjoying this show. That's it. His stage presence is above and beyond. He's owning the stage. Nah.
Hadirmu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih. Memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu
Nice.
jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan
He's got vocals.
khianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu.
He's got vocals. He's got that personality. He's got that stage presence. This is gonna be a strong contender. I'm gonna tell you straight up, is definitely gonna be one of those contenders. You have to look out for. Chris, wow. Why do you want to feel this way? Let me know you want to talk to the comment section. I still keep on asking. He is a contestant. This is gonna be one of the top contenders. Yo,
Bagaikan mentari cinta menghiasi cahaya kamarmu. Aku pun juga
nice.
seperti rembulan menemani di saat malammu. Dan memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati.
Sweet.
Berjanji padaku.
Can you see BCL? BCL is like, yo.
Percaya selalu. Biarkan semua
Listen, it's got that raise. Yo, it's got that raise of a seasoned singer, seasoned artist, seasoned performer. Yo, oh man, oh man.
Woo, 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 hey!
Well done, well done.
Gila! Jun! Apa itu?
Gila.
Wah, wah gila
Gua,
gila.
gua gak sabar
Ini
mau.
sepanjang dia nyanyi gue gini, wah 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 gitu. Wah,
Oh my god, I always wish this part was always subtitled, so we follow along. However, I leave it to you guys like we usually do. Um, you could still always tell me, just tell me what was discussed, tell me what the if you went through to the next stage, or honestly hope it does. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Like, yo, Chris, I'm gonna be on the lookout for him. Like, I want to check out more. I want to see his auditions. I want to check out more of him. This is amazing, you guys. I did enjoy this, and I hope that you did too. Here are today's Instagram and YouTube shout outs. Thank you so much for being a member of Clevy Nation, for staying active on the platform, and for supporting my journey. If you want to be featured next, all you need to do is to follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram handle right here. And leave a comment on my latest post, or you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment on today's video, guys. If you know you have any other recommendations, you have suggestions, another drill, please leave it right now in the comment section. If you know you enjoyed this as much as I did, please smash the like button, share the video you guys, and join the squad, join the gang by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. Alright, guys, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I love you. I love you so, so, so much, and thank you. Thank you for always watching. Bye, guys.